How to upgrade Intel HD graphic drivers 3000 to 4000 on Windows. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Right click on your screen. You'll find these options. Click on Display Settings. After that, scroll all the way down in Display, and then you'll find Advanced Display Settings. Click on Advanced Display Settings. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Go to Display Adapter, and from here you can find what is your HD graphic drivers. After that, simply open this PC and right click anywhere in the file. Then click on Properties. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Device Manager, which is located on left side. In here you'll find Display Adapters. Click on Display Adapters and then click on the arrow that's in Display Adapters. You'll find Intel RU HD Graphics. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Go to Drivers, then click on Browse My Computer for drivers, which is the second option. Then click on second option. Make sure there is no tick mark in Show Compatible Hardware. Select any model available from here. If you have 3000 to 4000, you can select 4000. It's not available in my device, so it is not showing in here. After you press on 4000, simply click Next and it's gonna install drivers. And that's how you upgrade Intel HD graphic drivers 3000 to 4000 on Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.